signs. All right, Spirit, 3 cards for Capricorn, please. What do you want them to know? Okay, you guys have make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps that you're guided to take. Okay, you have chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. And the last card, keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. All right. Okay, so far so good. So you have make the effort, chemistry, keep an open mind. Let's see what's going on. Kind of general, but yeah, let's see. Capricorn, first half. Oh my God, Capricorn, give me a second. I gotta get this together. Oh my God, what is happening? Capricorn, I'm so sorry. Hold on a second. Told y'all, if my shuffling, like, if it doesn't feel right, like, I can't do it. Okay. One more time. Let's see. All right. We're good. So let's see what's going on. Yeah, I don't know what was happening with those cards. It was a little tough trying to shuffle. Okay, so bottom of the deck, you guys have the 6 of Wands. So it looks like you guys are moving in the direction to have some type of victory here. Let's see what's going on. There's a victory with Capricorn. All right. Page of Swords. All right. Y'all watching somebody who's spying? Are y'all spying on somebody? Y'all keeping a close eye? Or somebody keeping a close eye on y'all because maybe y'all walked away. Okay. I see how this reading is about to play out already. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Okay. So, somebody's keeping a close eye on the other individual because there was a third-party situation going on. I told y'all, I knew this was going somewhere. All right. So, somebody could be dealing with an earth... oh, I got tongue-tied. An earth sign, another Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo here. I do feel like at this point, Capricorn, y'all know this is a general reading. Let me just say it real quick before we keep going. This is a general reading, so it may not resonate for you. And guys, it could go vice versa. So just take it however it fits your situation. But Capricorn, honestly, for some of you guys, I feel like you were the one done wrong. And at this point, you guys aren't worried about the other individual. So I feel like they're keeping a close eye on you because they put you in this third-party situation. And at this time, you guys are like, you know what? I'm tired. I'm just focusing on me, myself, and I'm just, about to just do me, work on my finances because that's my focus right now. But at the end of the day, this person wants a happy home with you. They want this happy life. They want it all. Everything but socks and drawers. Okay, y'all, I had to say it. I'm so sorry. I had to go there. I had to. But anyway, so I feel like, you guys are looking at this person like, okay, you left me out in the cold, but I'm coming out of this energy. So this is telling me that you guys have been working on yourself. You guys have been healing. And there's the High Priestess. Like, at this point, you guys are using your intuition. This person cannot just come back like they, would if they would mess up or if something took place. And you would just jump back and be with this person because what I'm seeing now, you guys are listening to your gut. You're listening to your intuition. And right now you're focusing on yourself because this person, you're like, okay, you still love this person. You still care about this person, but you care about yourself and you love yourself even more to keep putting yourself in this situation. And that's why you're not moving forward. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer here, but yeah, I feel like you guys put your foot down. You're like, I'm not doing it. Ooh, somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but I feel like this other person wants a commitment with you. They want marriage with you. Y'all, they praying again. They over here manifesting. Somebody's trying to stay positive. They're like, you know what? You cut me off. You don't want to be with me. That's fine. But I'm praying for you at night, okay? Your name is on my new moon list. So I'm telling y'all, they don't want you guys to walk away from them. Tell me more. Look at that. This person wants to start over with you. But I feel like you guys are just ready to start over. You're ready to just go on another path. Just move, in another direction. But, I told y'all where y'all going. This person's like, where y'all going? Oh, that's too many cards, Capricorn. Hold on. I saw what it is. But if it comes out, I'll take it again. But that was way too many cards for me. All right. right. But yeah, anyway, I feel like you guys are just ready to move on. You're ready to start over. Because when you look at this individual, you just don't have the strength to deal with them anymore. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, but I just feel like at this point, you guys are just coming out of being frustrated about the situation, which is why, you know, you're just moving on. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but I'm telling y'all, y'all are like, I just don't have hope that the situation is going to play out in my favor due to the fact that there's an imbalance here. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but y'all are just tired of playing with this person. You're over it. You're like, this person is not going to keep playing with me. Told y'all before, y'all boss. Y'all working on y'all finances. Capricorn's all about money. So, y'all about to just, you know, focus on that. F this love stuff. Even though y'all want it, but you're like, I'm not going to get played by you anymore. And I feel like at this point, you guys could have blocked this person. Somebody blocked out communication. I mean, at this point, you guys are definitely not speaking. And I feel like this person is worried. Because they do want to come towards you, but maybe they can't get through to you. Somebody change numbers. Okay, so anyway, moving on. I do feel like at this point, you guys are just, you know, over talking to them. You're over dealing with it because this person repeatedly kept stabbing you in the back when you really did try to make things work. And this is why you're feeling like you're not going to have a victory with them. Okay. Yeah, but this person, I'm telling y'all, somebody is ready to come out of this conflict. They don't want to argue with you anymore. They don't want to be in a space with you anymore. They're ready to put in the work, and they're coming in fast to tell you this. Lord. Okay. Yeah. All right. So, like I said, there is communication coming in from this person. They're coming in fast. So, if you haven't heard from them, you're about to. But I do feel like they want things to improve with you, but at the same time, there's no balance here because of the fact that they put you in some type of third-party situation. Now, even with that being said, I do feel like somebody's definitely worried about their finances as well. So, Capricorn, I don't know if that's you. Maybe this, for some of you guys, I am picking up this person could have taken from you financially, or maybe you were the one always helping them out. And so, at this point now, you're like, I got to build back up my account. I need to build back up, you know, what I had before, because you not only did you do me wrong, but I was, you know, I had a big heart and I helped you with something, you know, and maybe this person is not paying you back. So that's only for some of y'all I'm picking up on. For others of you guys, you're just like, I'm trying not to say this person's broke, but I feel like you're like, you know what, I really tried to be there for you, you know, you're not matching where I am. So at this point, you cheated on me, you keep doing this, I keep taking you back, there's no balance here, you need to go. I do feel like this person does love you, you do love and care about this person, but at the end of the day, somebody is interfering here. Maybe somebody got caught up with, like, something dealing with finances with that third party. And at this point, you guys are like, I don't care, I'm just letting it go, but you're worried. Somebody's up at night worried about it. Because like I said, Capricorn, honestly, I feel like you still care about this person. Or it could be the other person, but more so for you, you dropped it. You're letting it go. Okay. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign here, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I'm telling y'all, I feel like this other person is sad because they can't just come back into your life how they normally would, kind of like weasel their way in there. Y'all are putting y'all foot down. But I do feel like this person now wants to come back trying to give you this equal partnership, this give and take relationship. This is what you've been telling them this whole time that you wanted, and now here they come. But look, y'all, it's two people here. So y'all know I don't take the cards as being gender specific, so take, you know, however fits your situation. But there's two men here, could be two women. Somebody's stuck in the middle needing to make a decision. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but that was the issue. Somebody could not make up their mind about, you know, who they wanted. And you guys are over it. Lord, there's the Queen of Wands. Okay, so somebody's dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I do feel like somebody's not being positive here, but you guys, somebody's definitely interfering. For some of you guys, it could be a mother figure, mother-in-law. But somebody is interfering big time, you know, and maybe this other individual is seeing that. And so now they're like, okay, those seeds that I planted, you know, I want them to grow with you. I want to be with you. So here they come, getting ready to offer you some type of gift, something that you've been hoping and wishing for. But whoever this third party individual is, whether or not it's another man, another woman, somebody's mama, but, you know, family member, whoever, I feel like this person has been taken from them financially. So money is definitely involved here, because somebody feels like they took some type of financial hit. And that's why they're sad. That's why they're having a hard time coming towards you. Because they have to, you know, clean up this mess over here. Yep. They're feeling like they're not going to have a new opportunity with you due to the fact of what they put you through. And, you know, somebody's stuck at a crossroads needing to make a decision. Capricorn, it's like whoever was the one that got, you know, done wrong here, it's like you're trying to figure out, should I stay, should I go? At the end of the day, both of you guys really love each other. But it's like, you know what? Like I said, I love me more, and I'm not dealing with this. Look at that. There's the Empress. Somebody wants a new beginning here. Looks like the truth is coming out. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra, but the truth is definitely coming out. Maybe somebody had to get out of some type of legal situation here. Clarify justice in reverse. Y'all, okay. I feel like this person wants happiness with you. Y'all, okay, I have to be honest. Y'all know I'm an honest person anyway. But for some of you guys, I feel like there's some type of pregnancy here. And somebody's getting ready to come towards you to be honest about it. That's for some. That's not everybody. Please, y'all don't be trying to kill nobody. Just chill out. So, but for some of y'all, there's somebody's pregnant. And I think maybe you've been feeling this way, or, you know, kind of like your gut's been saying something's not right. Maybe this person got someone pregnant, but yeah, somebody's pregnant here. Maybe they want to come and tell you this. For others of you, I do feel like this person just wants to come back to tell you that, you know, they want a new beginning with you. They see happiness in you, but they feel like they can't get to that happy ending with you due to the fact of everything that they put you through. You know, they know that you're emotional right now. They messed up bad, and you're not speaking to them. You're no longer opening up. Somebody's definitely dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but it looks like someone has made a decision. They don't have a peace of mind about it, though, but somebody made a decision. Is it that y'all made a decision to walk away? Yeah, somebody's having some type of hard time here. It's like you made a decision, but you don't like it. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but it's not. It's just like you guys are just feeling like there's no balance in the situation due to the fact that this other person had other options. They put other things before you. You don't like, you know, the things that you were seeing from this person, their behaviors. You just don't care for it anymore. Could be dealing with an Aries, but you're just feeling like there's no stability with this person, so you walked away. Some of you guys are definitely dealing with another Capricorn, but I just feel like at the end of the day, you're walking away because you wanted a commitment with this person. You wanted a relationship. You saw yourself being with this person. You really don't want to cut it off, but you feel like this person gave you no choice. Look at that Judgment with the Seven of Swords reversed. You're needing to make a decision here, but at the end of the day, you're like, I would love to be with this person. This is my person, but I can't be with this person until they clean it up. They have to clean up everything. I just can't. And that's why you guys are just, you know, moving slow at this point. Clarify the Six of Cups. There's a Tower moment here. Lord, okay. Tell me about this Tower. Y'all, somebody's pregnant. I mean, it's screaming at me. Somebody's definitely pregnant here. I do feel like it's split. For some of you guys, somebody's pregnant here. I don't know if this other the person that you were dealing with got someone else pregnant, or it could be this person's gonna come back, try to, you know, make things work out with you. Y'all gonna get it on, okay? And boom, you're gonna get pregnant. But honestly, I'm feeling like for some of you guys, yeah, somebody is pregnant here. That's why they're moving slow. But then again, for the other half of you, I feel like this person is just constantly thinking about what they want with you. And the universe is stepping in. They're like, you know what? You're moving too slow. We're tired of making you, you know, making this person wait for you. It's like, no. Something came crashing down here. This person wants a new beginning. I just heard miscarriage and abortion. Y'all, y'all have to leave me some comments, because, okay, let's keep going. Yeah, somebody wants the situation to improve here, but yeah, they're getting ready to speak up about something. They were frustrated, they were holding back, not telling you something, but yeah, somebody's speaking up. I feel like they're coming towards you to apologize. They just don't have the confidence in doing so because they're worried that things are not going to improve. They feel like you're going to walk away from them, but at the end of the day, there is an offer here, but they're frustrated. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo, but there was a lesson here. Somebody was supposed to be learning a lesson because, yeah, back and forth. I feel like this person wants to make you this offer, but at the end of the day, there's some codependency here. Maybe somebody was stuck to someone in some type of codependency situation dealing with money or some type of an addiction, and this is why they don't have a happy home. They stayed in this situation way too long. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces here, but yeah, there was something hidden here, secrets, things that you didn't know, and I feel like they're fearing to come and talk to you because they know that they're full of BS. Y'all ain't taking it no more. I'm telling y'all, they're not coming towards you. They're moving slow, but it's like they're holding back. I do feel like at the end of the day, you guys were worried. You know, you were really in your head, but you're coming out of that energy and you're moving on. You're moving away from this person because you're just tired. I do feel like the other person that messed up, they're coming out of that energy and they want to move forward with you. So, Capricorn, I do feel like if this is resonating for you, you're going to have to make a decision. Because they're coming back. They're coming back. Look at that. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But I feel like, okay, if this person comes back, y'all are shutting it down. Y'all are standing y'all ground. You're putting your foot down. You're like, no, you're not going to keep dragging me through this. Look at that. I told y'all somebody's coming back to offer you their cup of love, but you don't see a new beginning with this person, so you're cutting it. You're like, no, Could be dealing with a Scorpio. Yeah. Due to the fact, I'm telling y'all, they put you in some type of third-party situation. And it's like you guys really do want things to improve, but at the same time, you don't see them changing. It's the same old, same old. But I'm telling y'all, they're getting ready to come back and fight for you. That's too many threes already. Okay, so, yeah, there was definitely a third party here. So, like I said, for some of you guys, somebody's mom is definitely in the way. If not, it is another man, another woman. So many storylines here. So, yeah. But this person wants to turn things around with you, Capricorn. They're trying to come back, but you're like, no. You hurt me too much. You broke my heart now. So, you guys are just like, you know what? I'm ready to start over. I'm ready to heal from this situation. Bring me somebody new, because I'm tired. Some of y'all are like, nope, that's my fish, but I'm going to make this fish swim a little harder. I'm not going to give in, okay? You're not getting the worms. You're not getting anything. I'm not giving you any type of bait. You're going to work for this, okay? Where did I get this stuff from? Anyway, but yeah, it's like somebody made a decision. Tell me more. Look at that. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But if not, this person's getting ready, to step up. They're getting ready to take the lead here, take the initiative to give you this offer. Okay, let's see. But they're not taking a leap right now. I feel like due to the fact that they're fearing that you're going to reject them. So, Capricorn, please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates for you guys. I will be talking to you soon.